Hello everyone, welcome to the session 1 of Power BI. So Power BI is a visualization tool from Microsoft. With the help of this, you can do a free analysis. Power BI desktop is a free software. You can load data, you can analyze the data. And you can connect with almost 50 plus data sources of on-premise and cloud-based. It supports a transformations, you don't require any SQL knowledge. So all the transformations Power BI support with a user interface. You can perform a modeling where you can integrate a multiple sources, you can create a hierarchies, measures, calculated columns, KPis and everything. Power BI is an interactive reporting tool where you can slice and dice the reports with the help of interaction, drill down, or drill through features and slicers. It supports a dashboarding, which is nothing but you can represent a high level of a report in a single place, that is a dashboard. You can export your report or dashboard into PPT format, or you can print it. If you want, you can get a subscriptions or alerts. It supports everything. You can perform automated refresh, or you can connect with a live data. You can perform a streaming. It supports an embedding. You can access these reports from anywhere because it is a cloud-based hosting. To install this software, you require Windows 10 or Windows 8 64-bit version of operating system, and you can download the Power BI from these links. You can download the Power BI from these links, which is nothing but you can go to Power BI portal. You have an option called Start Free. Whenever you click on Start Free, you have an option called Download Free here. From here you can download it, or from Products, Power BI Desktop, you can download from here, download free. These two links will give you a 64-bit version of app like Power BI. If you want 32-bit version of a Power BI, you can click from here. And you can select a download. You can select download option here. You have a 32-bit and 64-bit. Select 64 or 32-bit. Click on next. Software will get downloaded automatically. So once you download the software, you can double click on it, and installation is very easy. You don't need to configure anything. You just need to click on next, next, next and finish. Let it open. So just need to click on next, accept, next, next, install. So it will get installed. You don't need to configure any other things. So once it is installed, you can click on finish. It is automatically getting launched. Or you can launch it from your all programs, or that will be available as part of your desktop also. You can launch it. So whenever you launch your Power BI desktop, you can see a pop-up will come. You can close it, and this is the user interface of Power BI. Now, with the help of a get data, you can load the data into Power BI from any source. I'm just loading the data from Excel. You can select an Excel and you can provide a file as input. So Power BI is going to analyze the complete workbook, and it is going to showcase you the list of tables that it has, the list of sheets it has. So you can select the sheets whatever you want. Click on load. So the list of tables that you loaded from a different sources will be available under a fields tab. So fields tab is a place where it contains the list of tables that you loaded. Those three tables are getting loaded. So table structure and data will be loaded here. Now, fields is the tab which contains the tables that you loaded. Visualizations, default visualization that we have. You can create a reports at a report view. You can select a visual and you can drag and drop a field. You can select a visual and drag and drop a field. You can create a visuals in any number of pages. Simply select it and drag and drop it. You can create any number of pages here. So I'm specifying city-wise profit. This is how you can create a visualizations in Power BI. Or you can select a visual. You can select the fields from here. The next one is data view. Here it contains the data associated with your table. From a field you can see only the table name and column names. If you want to see the data associated with the table, you can see from a data view. Relationship view, here we are going to create a relationship between the tables. So if you want to create a visual from a multiple tables, if you want to create a one visual from a multiple tables, those must be related. Creating a relationship here is just a drag and drop. From parent to child or child to parent, you can drag from any direction. These are the 6 basic windows of Power BI. If you have any questions, you can ping us or you can comment us on this video.